What's up, my homies? Long time no see. Sorry for disappearing for a while. I just had a bunch of stuff going on. But it's time. Let me turn down the radio. Let me give you a heads up on what's happening. It's finally time to start making a difference in the world. I've got my son's 1991 KDX 250 ready to start putting together. Just kind of a recap. I know it's been forever, you guys. Basically, everything's been taken apart. A lot of stuff's been powder coated. You probably remember the wheels in a previous video. The motor has been built by Brian at Lindsay Machine Racing. Everything's been gone through, replated cylinder, of course new piston, all new bearings, seals, crank, rod bearings, clutch, pretty much everything in the motor. As you know, these are kind of lower RPM, kind of more low-end powered kind of motors. And I've got the swing arm here that has sort of this, you can't really appreciate it, but it's got this metal flake in the black. Maybe you can see it kind of bling bling here and there. And what my goal is today is to get the swing arm bearings in and get the swing arm and the motor basically in the frame. It's been so long, I've got to find the motor mount bolts. I have no idea where they or the brackets are. I've cleaned out my parts washer. This had about 10 pounds of Maui mud from Kalani's bike. I had to get rid of that. The cleaner was so broken down and degraded, it wasn't working at all anymore. So I've got some brand new fresh parts cleaner liquid in there, biodegradable, high concentrate. Supposed to mix it 8-to-1 at its most concentrated level. So what do? I mix it 3-to-1. Anyway, I wanted to give you just a brief kind of look, see here. I'm gonna get started on the swing arm bearings, and I'll bring you up to speed here in just a minute.